welcome to Accounting Hub. I am Professor George Carpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is joint product costing, sales value of the product at split off. First of all, what joint product costing is. Some manufacturing plants yield more than one product from a common research input. For instance, tuna, pork, cattle, chicken, and so on. This is called a joint production process. And also oil. Uh, we have the same for gasoline and so on. And joint products are products from a joint production process that have relatively substantial sales values. Products whose total sales values are minor in comparison to the sales value of the joint products are classified as byproducts. Joint products and byproducts start their manufacturing life as part of the same raw material, so up until a certain point, no distinction can be made between the products. And byproducts differ from joint products in that the sale value of the byproduct is somewhat lower, very lower, than that of the joint products. The point in a joint production process at which individual products can be identified for the first time is called the split off point. This is where we will be working. And joint costs include all manufacturing costs incurred prior to the split off point. And costs incurred after the split off point are called separable processing costs. And we have four methods. So we have four videos about this topic, and all of the other three videos, they are in our video description. Physical measures. Our topic today is sales value of the products at split off, net realizable values, and constant gross margin. Sales value at split off method allocates joint costs to joint products on the base of their sales value. This method can only be used when joint products can be sold at the split off point. So let's go to our Excel file here. And on this Excel file, we have all the four methods here, okay? So you can check it out. What do we have? We have tuna, unprocessed tuna, our split off point. 85,000 pounds, $98,000 our cost. Our two products, tuna fillets and canned tuna, 80,000 pounds, 50,000 pounds with these two selling price. Byproduct is scrap and waste. We are not selling it, so we don't consider it for our analysis. Very important topic here. We have the physical measure. 20 for fillets, 50 for canned. So our sum will be 70. And the selling price, 250, 180. So our sales value, we don't do our work based only on selling price because we have different units. So we consider sales value. So 20 times 250, 50 times 180, and our sum here, 140. So our proportion of sales value, 50 divided by, let's fix here, 140. And we can copy and paste this formula here. We will have 3664. So we have more sales on canned tuna. So we will have more costs for canned tuna. And then our allocation is our cost, 98. Let's fix this guy here. Times 36, so 35. Let's copy and paste this formula here. 63. And let's sum it. Whoop. Let's sum it here. Whoa. $98,000. The same $98,000 here. Then our cost per pound, 35 divided by 20 and 63 divided by 50. So we have different cost per pounds here usually. And why? Because our selling price. So usually we have the same proportion here of selling price and then the cost per pound. Okay, because greater selling price will have greater sales value based on the physical measure. So okay, this is lower here because our physical measure is much lower here. For instance, we have more than the double physical measures here for canned tuna, but less than the double here for sales price. That's why our cost per pound will be lower. Okay, guys, so that's it. Thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Subscribe our channel, like our video, also like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarping. And have a very nice day, and God bless you.